Hi Lana, welcome once again, and let's have a conversation about software development. Now, the world is actually changing very, very fast, and we are in an age whereby you really don't need to go physically to look for a job. You can always get the right expertise, you can learn online, and you can actually look for those jobs online and do them effectively, and even earn a living without even leaving the comfort of your home. So I want to introduce you to course careers that will enable you start your career in software development. Software development is one of the best courses or other careers that are actually very lucrative in the world today. Why am I saying that? Because it is with software development that you can be able to design various websites, you can be able to create different user applications. People nowadays are talking about mobile apps. Every business, even individuals, are looking for people who can develop for them apps. And this is the career that allows you to maybe get your hands, or rather have some skills that enables you to deliver this particular kind of tasks. So with course careers, you will be able to do this kind of course without having to get a degree or even experience. So if you're that person like myself, or the people who we can even call our role models, like the Bill Gates of them days, who didn't even finish the colleges, right? So at least nowadays you don't need to go to a college. You can always enroll for these particular courses online. And the beauty of course careers, as you're going to see, they'll give you some mentors or other coaches that are going to give you a well-defined path on what you should be able to do, or how you can be able to source for this particular software development jobs. That is the beauty of course careers. So half the work is done for you. Now, if you compare course careers with the normal university or physical colleges, they will always, of course, give you the course. You'll pay for the course, and then after you have graduated, you leave. But with course careers, what they do is that they'll mentor you, right? They'll link you with some kind of coaches and industry experts that will enable you get the job of your choice within this particular industry. As you can see, Max here, you can always maybe engage with Max and listen to his story, right? He went through the YouTube videos to learn this particular software skills, and maybe he couldn't get the right skills that were required for the market. But when he joined course careers, he was able to meet the right coach and industry experts who gave him the right platform to showcase his skills. And that's why most of my students who ask me which course should I do, I always recommend that they do the software development course, because it's very, very marketable. So with the course careers, you will be taught everything you need to know about software development. And you can see they have the free course option. So don't shy, just click within the description. I've shared the link so that you can start this particular free course. If you're interested to dive deep into this particular software development course, then of course you'll have to pay the fee. And this fee, as I mentioned, enables you to be linked to the various coaches and industry experts who are going to guide you accordingly. So if you scroll down, you can see this is one of the industry experts, right? You will meet him, and is the person who is going to take you through this software development course. Let me briefly will see what he's able to do, or what he's doing currently. And you can see these are the payment plans. So after your free course, you can either decide to do a bi-weekly payment or a one-time payment. Now we have I actually know of students who are currently pursuing this particular course, right? So you can see it has a very you can say steep learning curve or for your career, but it's very lucrative path. Yeah, it also offers flexible work. The good thing with software development as a career, You don't need to finish everything. Once you start off, you can always start building your applications or softwares as you start earning, right? So you can see there's entry level, there's mid career, and there's late career. So for the starters, you'll be earning around 60 to 90k per year. Those are US dollars. But as you proceed, you realize that you'll be earning quite a lot. And course careers, as I've said, they are going to mentor you. They're going to link you with the various coaches that are going to help you kickstart your career in this particular field. So you can see a normal life day in your coding days. Yeah, you normally refer to them as coding days. Yeah, so of course every single hour will be to do some codes. Yeah, so we'll be doing this. So this is just a laid out plan of what you need to do as a software developer. So if you scroll down, you'll see the course outline. What you'll be doing, you'll do front end basics, of course, and back end. There's some kind of computer science principles. All these you can always just look at what they entails, right? They give you everything. Yeah, so just click within the description. I've shared the link. Exploring this is free, right? So here's the team. This is a guy, is your instructor. Yeah, so just a little bit of team. You realize that team leads. Team had actually worked with Microsoft and Algo Expert, right? And he's now leading a team of engineers as senior software developer on Canada's East Coast. So what I'm saying is that these are not just instructors who are just doing the training. They have also gone to the field and they know exactly what you require, and that's why I'm saying they can always link you with the various people in the field so that you can start working with them, right? So ideally they have also broken down some specialization. There's front end development. You can be a front end developer, and of course there's also back end, and of course DevOps engineering. Now this is the beauty of this particular software development course. You will actually live this particular platform when you have a whole package of a software developer. You can handle front end, back end, and of course DevOps, right? And you can see it prepares you for all these kind of skills, right? So I don't really want to go into details, right? The course benefits are numerous. You can see they are employment focused. They are always updated. Now that's the beauty. You see, with other course platforms like maybe Coursera's and the likes, Udemy, you always find that once someone has developed the courseware, it will take a lot of time before they review it. But this one, it keeps on being reviewed to tap onto the greatest the skills that are required in the market. There is also coaching support, as you can see. There's also community that you'll work with, right? There's also job search guidance, right? Shareable certificate, you'll get that, right? And access to the expert coaches. No, this is the beauty of all these, right? Yeah, so there are quite a number of them. Yeah, you can always ask them questions. They can always, if you're good, once you have done this course, yeah, course careers will link you with these coaches, and they'll always have some jobs for you to do. So that's the beauty of course careers. Yeah, so you just have to finish the course, then they're going to link you with these experts in the industries, and they're going to coach you, and you can even help them with what they're doing currently, right? So that means course careers will provide you the course itself, and they link you with the industry, so you don't need to start looking for a job on your own. Yeah, there are those people who are already are available to assist you kickstart your journey. So if you're interested, check within the description, and all the best in your software development career.